Okay, so now that you handled the iPhone side of setup part, I'm gonna now walk you through the actual automation. So I'm just gonna log into my account, get my trial key, go to dashboards, and oops, I forgot to download it. Hold up, I'm gonna then download Warmr. So this is loading. And once that's all done loading, I'm gonna open up Warmr, put it into applications. And it should be in applications now. So I'm gonna open applications, open Warmr. And the first thing you wanna do when you open Warmr is you wanna go to iPhones itself. And if you have a paid Apple developer ID, then you can just use the App Store Connect API, provided these values, and you can literally just run it, sign in, install right away. But if you don't worry, I got you. So you're going to download the Xcode project, open up this, then you want to open up Warmr Runner Xcode project. So this is going to pop up now. And what Warmr Runner Xcode project is literally, it's the iPhone automation surface that acts kind of more like the arms when it comes to the actual running the automations onto the iPhone. It's the app, but the actual automations come from the Mac OS itself. So then I'm going to go signing capabilities. You want to be on Warmr Runner, of course. Make sure you're at this area. Utilize your team ID. And then you just want to press Command R on the specific device you're running for the iPhone. Command R, or you can go to product over here, and actually you can just press build. But I'm just going to press Command R. First, build the WebDriver agent. Once that's done, then you want to go to Warmr Runner and just press run again, pretty much. And it's installing the Warmr Runner. You'll see on your iPhone like two new apps that get installed. One is the Warmr Photo Importer for the videos in general, and the other one is the Warmr Runner for actual the iPhone automations. So after you literally have your screen show black on your iPhone itself, that means that all the apps have been downloaded. So then you can literally just close this, stop tasks, close the Xcode project, and you've literally set up Warmr now. So now later on, we're going to go into setting up your first account list and running your first actual autopilot post. Autopilot warm-up. Sorry about that.